Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the radio in a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal immediately, and then remove the trim panels gently using plastic pry tools to avoid scratching. Keep screws organized and label any connectors you unplug. Unbolt the old radio with the correct torque sockets and inspect the dash cavity. Test fit the new unit and wiring harness before final installation to ensure compatibility and fit. With the battery disconnected, remove the center vent trim and any surrounding bezels carefully to expose mounting hardware. Unscrew the radio mounting bolts with the correct Torx or socket and slide the unit straight out while watching for hidden clips and tabs. Unplug the antenna cable and main wiring harness, noting connector shapes and positions. Inspect the factory harness for any broken pins and clean contacts before proceeding with the new radio swap. Connect the new radio using a Jeep-compatible wiring harness adapter to preserve factory wiring and steering wheel controls. Match wire colors for constant power, switched power, ground, and speaker outputs, then secure connections with crimping or solder and protect them with heat shrink or quality tape. Plug in the antenna and any interface modules, then reconnect the battery briefly to test power, audio, and controls. Once everything works, seat the radio. Tighten bolts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.